This is one portable wearable mini high-definition camera recorder. The accessories included USB cable and manual. The USB cable is used to charge and transmit data. You need to open the strap before installing the SD card and charging. Hold the camera body with your hand, and gently pull the strap out with the other hand to take out the camera. This is mini USB port for charging and read data. This is microsd card slot. We need to tear off the protective film before use. This is the camera lens. This is power on, power off button. This is the function button for taking pictures, videos or audio recordings. This mini camera built-in rechargeable lithium battery. Please charge it before you use. You can use mobile phone charger, power bank, computer USB to charge. When it is charging, the red indicator will slow flash. Please insert microsd card before recording. Be sure the memory card is oriented correctly. If the memory card installation is successful, the camera will vibrate and the indicator will turn on after power on. If the camera does not detect SD card or the SD card is full, the camera red and blue indicator lights will quickly blink and off. The camera shocks 5 times at the same time. Then the camera will automatically turn off. After the SD card is installed, please reattach the strap. Please note that the strap button is the same as the camera's button orientation, otherwise, it will not work properly. Press on/off button for about 2 seconds, the camera will vibrate, the red light will be on, then the camera enters standby mode. Recording. Press the on/off button 1 time again, the red light will flash 3 times then off. At the same time, the camera will vibrate 3 times, then the camera will start video recording. You can press on/off button again to stop the recording. Taking pictures. After turning on and entering the standby state red light on, you press the shooting button once to take a picture. You can press the camera shooting button once again to take a continuous picture. Audio recording. On the standby state red light on, press the shooting button for 3 seconds. The camera blue light will blink 3 times then off. At the same time, the camera will vibrate 3 times. Then the camera will start audio recording. Press the shooting button again, the camera will vibrate once, the red light will be on, then the camera will stop video recording and enter the standby state. Power off. Press and hold the on/off button for about 3 seconds, the camera will turn off. Please wear the camera in this direction to get the correct image. We can use the USB cable to connect the camera and your computer. or using SD card reader to view the data.